In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a presentation in LibreOffice Impress step by step. This is a really useful feature if you want to add slide timings, rehearse your presentation, or create a smoother delivery for your audience. And just a quick note before we begin. LibreOffice Impress can record your slideshow timings, but if you want full video recording with your camera and screen together, you'll need a separate screen recorder. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you already have a presentation file ready, that's perfect. On the left side under Create, click Impress Presentation. This opens a new presentation workspace where you can either start from a template or open an existing file. If you already made your slides, go ahead and open your presentation now. You want the slideshow fully loaded before you start recording. Once your presentation is open, look at the top menu bar. Click Slideshow. This menu contains the tools you need to present and control your slides. From there, click Record Slideshow. When you choose this option, LibreOffice will begin tracking your slide timings as you speak and move through your presentation. This is especially helpful if you want to rehearse your delivery and make each slide advance at the right pace. Now start speaking your presentation naturally. Move through the slides just like you would during a live talk. As you click through each slide, LibreOffice records the timing between transitions. That means your presentation can later replay with the same pacing you used while recording. Try to speak clearly and pause where needed so the timings match your actual delivery style. If you make a mistake, don't worry too much during the first run. You can always stop and record again if needed. As you go through the slides, focus on keeping a steady rhythm. If your presentation has charts, bullet points, or key talking points, take a moment on each one so the timing feels natural. This recording feature is great for practice because it helps you understand whether your slides move too quickly or too slowly. It can also help you prepare for an automatic presentation playback later. When you finish, press Escape to stop recording. That will end the slideshow recording session and return you to your presentation editing view. From there, you can review your slides and timings. If everything looks good, you're ready to use those timings in your presentation workflow. Again, it's important to remember that LibreOffice Impress records slide timings, not a full video file of your screen and the voice. So if your goal is to create an actual video recording of your presentation, use a screen recorder alongside LibreOffice. But if you just need to record your presentation timing and rehearse your slide flow, this built-in feature is exactly what you need. And that's how you record a presentation in LibreOffice Impress. It's quick, simple, and very useful for practicing, timing slides, and improving your delivery. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides, and I'll see you in the next video.